Ever accidentally hit delete and then regretted it? Let's dive into how to recover those lost Telegram messages. When you delete a message in Telegram, it's usually gone for good from your device. However, there are a few avenues to explore for potential recovery, starting with the most straightforward. First, let's check for cloud backups. Telegram automatically backs up your message history to its servers, but this feature is primarily for migrating your chats to a new device or reinstalling the app. If you recently deleted messages and want to retrieve them, you can try logging out of your Telegram account and then logging back in on the same or a different device. This process can sometimes resync your chat history from the cloud, bringing back recently deleted messages. Remember to do this as soon as possible after deletion, as older deleted messages may not be available. If the cloud sync doesn't work, the next step involves exploring third-party data recovery tools. These tools are designed to scan your device's storage for remnants of deleted data. Search for reputable Telegram data recovery software and choose a tool that explicitly states it supports Telegram message recovery once installed. Follow the software's instructions to scan your phone's storage for deleted Telegram data. These tools can sometimes locate and reconstruct deleted message files if they find anything. You'll typically have an option to preview and then recover the messages to a safe location on your device. It's important to note that the success of third-party tools depends heavily on how much new data has overwritten the deleted messages on your device. The sooner you attempt recovery, the higher your chances. So, whether it's a quick Relogging or a more in-depth scan with specialized software, these methods offer your best bet at bringing back those vanished Telegram conversations and safeguarding your important information.